An old man and his wife live together on a small farm in the countryside. They have a little house with a bright red roof and white walls. Every day, they wake up very early in the morning when the air is still cool and fresh. The sun rises slowly over the beautiful green hills that surround their peaceful farm. The old man walks slowly across the yard to the chicken house. He reaches out with his weathered hand and opens the wooden door carefully. 10 chickens come running out into the morning light, flapping their wings. They are very hungry after the long night and happy to see him standing there with their breakfast. The old man reaches into his deep pocket and pulls out handfuls of yellow corn. He scatters the corn on the ground in front of the chickens. The chickens peck at the corn very quickly with their sharp beaks, eating every single piece. They make happy clucking sounds that fill the morning air. The old man watches them eat and smiles with contentment. Meanwhile, his wife walks to the other side of the farm to see the goats. They have 3 brown goats with shaggy fur and gentle eyes. The goats stand together near the old wooden fence, waiting patiently for her arrival. They bleat softly because they want fresh, cold water to drink on this warm morning. The wife carries a big wooden bucket to the well and fills it with fresh water. The water is clear and very cold. She pours the water into the goats' drinking trough, and they immediately begin to drink the cold water with great thirst. One of the goats lifts its head and makes a funny bleating sound that echoes across the farm. The wife laughs out loud at the silly noise. On their small farm, they also have one gentle cow who lives in a small barn. Her name is Daisy, and she has soft brown and white spots on her body. Daisy is old, just like the farmer and his wife. Despite her age, she still gives them fresh, creamy milk every single day without fail. The old man brings his small wooden chair from the barn and sits down beside Daisy. He places a metal bucket underneath her and carefully begins to get milk from the patient cow. The milk comes out in steady streams, warm and pure white, filling the bucket slowly. Daisy stands very calm and quiet during the whole process, occasionally swishing her long tail. After all the morning farm work is finally finished, the old man and his wife sit down together at their wooden table. They pour themselves cups of hot tea and share fresh bread with butter. All the animals are well fed and content now. The farm becomes quiet and peaceful as the morning work comes to an end. Many hours later, the sun begins to go down slowly behind the distant hills. The sky transforms into beautiful shades of orange, pink, and purple. All the tired animals start going to sleep in their homes. The chickens walk back inside their little house one by one, settling onto their roosting bars for the night. The old man walks around the farm and closes all the doors securely to keep the animals safe through the night. His wife lights a small candle inside their cozy house, and the warm glow fills the room. They are both very tired from the long day of work, but they are happy and grateful. Their simple life on the farm is very good indeed. Every single day is the same on their quiet little farm. The routine never changes much from morning until night. But somehow, every day feels special and meaningful to them both. They love taking care of their animals with gentle hands. They love their simple, peaceful life together on the farm, and they wouldn't want to live any other way.